Creating an Adsterra account for your Blogger site allows you to monetize your blog by displaying ads. Here's how to get started. Sign up for an Adsterra account. Visit the Adsterra website at adsterra.com. Click on Sign Up and fill out the registration form with your name, email and password. Submit the form and you will receive a verification email. Click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Add your Blogger site to Adsterra. After logging into Adsterra, go to your dashboard. In the Site section, click on Add Site and enter your Blogger website URL. You may need to verify ownership of your site by placing a meta tag or HTML file on your Blogger blog. Set up ad units. Once your site is approved, go to the Ads section in your Adsterra account. Choose the type of ads you want to display, such as banner ads, pop-unders, or native ads. Customize the ads as per your layout preferences. Place ads on Blogger. Copy the ad code provided by Adsterra. Go to your Blogger dashboard and navigate to Layout. Paste the ad code into an HTML or JavaScript gadget where you want the ads to appear, such as in the sidebar or header. Monitor performance. Track your ad performance and earnings via the Adsterra dashboard.